There's something about beautiful things that can be deceiving, and monkshood is the perfect embodiment of that perilous allure. Also known as wolfsbane or devil's helmet, this striking plant, with its deep blue or purple flowers, has long been admired for its ornamental beauty. But beneath its elegant exterior lies a deadly secret. It holds the title of the world's most toxic plant. Monkshood has been known for centuries, its poisonous properties exploited by ancient warriors, hunters, and even assassins. In ancient Greece, it was used to poison the tips of arrows. Legend has it that wolfsbane was so named because hunters would lace bait and weapons with its deadly toxin to kill wolves. In medieval Europe, it was feared and revered, associated with witches and dark magic. This ominous reputation has earned monkshood a permanent place in folklore and mythology. Despite its lethal nature, monkshood has also found a place in traditional medicine, where it was cautiously used in minute doses to treat ailments like fever and rheumatism. However, one miscalculation in dosage could lead to fatal consequences, making its medicinal use extremely risky. The plant owes its toxicity to aconitine, a powerful neurotoxin and cardiotoxin. Aconitine works by opening sodium channels in nerve and muscle cells, causing persistent stimulation that ultimately leads to paralysis and heart failure. Even minimal contact can be dangerous. Absorbed through the skin or consumed in tiny amounts, aconitine causes symptoms such as numbness and tingling, burning sensations in the mouth and extremities, nausea and vomiting, irregular heartbeat, and cardiac arrest. What makes monkshood particularly insidious is its rapid onset of symptoms. Within minutes to a few hours, a victim may experience severe cardiovascular and respiratory distress, leading to death if untreated. While immediate medical attention is the best course of action, there are a few steps you can take to mitigate the effects of poisoning in an emergency. 1. Avoid further contact. If you suspect you have touched monkshood, wash the affected area thoroughly with soap and water. Wearing gloves when handling unknown plants is always a smart precaution. 1. Induce vomiting. If you have ingested part of the plant, inducing vomiting, only if directed by a poison control expert, can help remove some of the toxin before it is fully absorbed. Activated charcoal, if available, can also help by binding to the toxin in the stomach. 1. Stay calm and rest. Keeping calm is critical. Increased heart rate and activity can speed up the absorption of the toxin, worsening the effects. 1. Hydrate. If possible, drink water to stay hydrated. However, avoid consuming alcohol or any stimulants, as these can exacerbate the toxin's effects. Monkshood serves as a chilling reminder of nature's duality, how something so beautiful can be so deadly. While its toxicity makes it a plant to be feared, it also teaches us to approach nature with respect and caution. If you ever encounter this plant, remember, admiration from a distance is the safest option. Its vibrant blooms may tempt you to reach out and touch, but doing so could lead to dire consequences. In the wild world of plants, monkshood reigns supreme, a stunning queen with a lethal touch. So next time you walk through a lush forest or a botanical garden, keep an eye out for those captivating blue flowers. Appreciate their beauty, but never forget the deadly secret they hide.